Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of this mini rechargeable fan. As usual, this is no longer holding that much charge. And another problem is that this push button switch is also not working. So we'll be replacing the battery and replace the push button switch at the same time. Let's just open it. Normally these rechargeable fans are powered by 3.7 volt battery. So we're going to replace it with the same. Okay, this battery has a different shape. This is the BMS or the battery management system. And this is the switch that we are going to replace. See, it cannot be pushed down, or what I'm going to use as a replacement battery is this one. This is a high quality 3.7 volt battery. Its form factor is 18350 with 900 mAh and 3.7 volt. Normally the 3.7 volt is the nominal voltage. When fully charged, it could go as high as 4.2 volt. Okay, I will just put it in here. Since regular 18650 battery is not going to fit in here, just opted for this 18350. We're going to cut it. Okay, I will cut it. Okay, we will establish a base for the wire to hold on to. This switch is a little bit bigger compared to this one. So I will just try to make some way for this to fit in. Let's just try if it's going to be pressed down. I hope you can hear it. Okay, let's try it. I hope you can see it spinning. Okay, let's put it back. Or let me test it. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.